Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Belkin BoostCharge power bank. This is including of cables for charging your device. They flip out like that. That's USB-C. And Lightning for your iPhone. So you can charge your iPad, you can charge your iPhone, all from this one device, and the cables hide in on the side of the battery. Then you'll also have a USB-C port on the back, and then when you press the button, it will show you your charge level. Obviously you need to charge that up, but this is from Belkin. I like that it's blue. It's 10,000 milliamps. It works with Apple, Samsung, Google, and Huawei devices. And it includes those two cables, so you can charge multiple devices at one time. So you can plug it into the wall, and you can then use that to charge with pass-through charging as well. Most batteries do not offer that, so that's cool. You can get this now from Belkin. It is the BoostCharge Plus power bank with integrated cables. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.